Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your TikTok business account to personal account. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the app and go to your profile section and then click on the three dot here. Just click here and click on the setting and privacy options, and then you have multiple option here. So just you need to click on account settings, and here you can see the option of switch to personal account. So just click on here. So just need to give them confirmation that you are going to convert your business account to personal account. So just switching your account, just click on switch anyways, just click here, and that's it. Now your account has been successfully switched to personal account. The business option will be gone after you restart the application. So that's how you can switch your business account to personal account in TikTok app. So that's the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video.